Come test drive the 2020 Transit Connect. Ford Transit, the right size, the whole world round. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: emergency braking preparation, stability control, roll stability control, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, braking assist, power brakes, traction control, rear view camera, driver attention alert system, capless fuel filler system. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.